spotted how we grew his boy coming. In fact, he smiled as though he thought his problem. Come, boys. I know there's a highly hard proud to be in such a taken proud. Give me a drink. That's what I want. I'm going to want. I don't care. Really, guys. If you thought this pocket never held a soup, I once was fixed as well, my boys, as any one of you. There. That's great. God bless you one and all. Next time I pass this pizza, I'll make another. Give you a song? No, I can't do that. My singing days are past. My voice is cracked. My throat's worn out. I'll tell you a funny story. In fact, I promised. Say, give me another whiskey, and I'll tell you what happened. That I was ever a decent man, not one of you would think. But I was, some 4 or 5 years back. Say, give me another whiskey. Fill her up, Joe. Want to put some life into my brain. Such little drinks of like a Mr. 5 fingers. There. That's the skin. Morning whiskey too. Well, here's that, boys. My best regards. You've treated me pretty kindly, and I'd like to tell you how I became the dirty sot you see before you. As I told you, once I was a man with muscle, brain, and health, but for a blunder who have made considerable. I was a painter. One that dogs on bricks and wood. But an art, for my age, is rated pretty good. I worked hard at my canvas and was feeling where gradually I saw the flower of paper. I made a picture, perhaps you've seen. It's called The Chase of Fame. It brought me 1,500 pounds in added. Then I met a woman. Now comes the fun. Once that fatty fight I break or something. Why don't you laugh? It's funny that the vagabond you see would ever love a woman. But it was so romantic. Her smile. Her loving lips touched mine. She cared. Boys, you got the silver from my house. With a form like the Philippines, the beauty. Eyes, beat the boy, dwelled in just. If so, was she, or there never was another house. I was working on a portrait one afternoon. A fair a friend of mine, who lived across the road. And Madeline Margaret, much to my surprise, said she'd like to know but suddenly. It didn't take long to know. Before that month had closed, my friend has stolen my darling, and I was left alone. Her a year of misery was possible. The jubilant treasure so advanced. That's why I've come to drink, boys. Why I never saw you smile like what you feel you said laughing all the while? Why? What's the matter, friend? There's a teardrop in your eye. Come. Laugh like me. It's only babes and women that you cry. Say, boys, give me just another reason. I'll be glad and I'll draw it right with your picture. Give me that piece of chalk with which you mark the day's Another drink with chalk in hand. The vagabond began to sketch a face that will might cry, so he went. Then, as he placed another lump upon his shaky head, with a fearful shriek, he leaps and fell across the table.